Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's videos I'm gonna show you how to smoke test your car. I'm gonna smoke test my 335i because I think I've got a air leak, vacuum leak somewhere. You can smoke test any car with this one. So obviously it's not my invention. I've just find it on internet and I build one myself. Very easy. It costs you about maybe £10. So what you need is some vacuum hose, 1 meter or 2 meter, depends, yeah. An electric ironing, soldering iron. I pay about £6 on this one on eBay. And I use a blood pressure pump from an old blood pressure machine. You can use any bike pump, anything there. And the jar, yeah. Oh, let me open so you can see what is inside. Come on. And inside I've got some clothes with some baby oil. Yeah. Oh, it smells bad. I already used it, so I'm gonna attach the video of the leak so you can see how to use it. You're gonna attach this one, this hose with it. You use a glove and you attach it after the air filter. Yeah, watch the video after so you can see what I mean. Okay guys, so you can see we are outside now. This is the smoke device, whatever you want to call it. You can see made a lot of smoke there inside the jar. So we connect it after the air filter with a glove there. That is the pipe from the air filter down to the turbo inlet. So when you start pumping, yeah, you can see the smoke is coming out exactly there where the pipe from the air filter is connected to the turbo inlet. It's a bad, very bad air leak there. So this device is good to find your air leak or boost leak, whatever, vacuum leak. You can see the, sorry for recording, portrait recording, I didn't realize that. Anyway, the main thing is I need to open there and to see what's going on there. I might replace the turbo inlet as well with an upgraded one. So thanks for watching guys. Another thing guys, sorry I forgot to mention it. So to connect the pump and the hose, I use like these small pipes from a pen. I just took it out from a pen and cut it in half and use some glue to glue it here inside the cup. I forgot to mention that. So thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.